All right, the next one's graphing a cubic function in the form of y equals ax cubed. There is no adding and subtracting on this graph, and so the center of your graph is going to be at 0, 0. So basically, they're just going to have you make a table with 0 being in the middle. So 2, 1, 0, -1, and -2. And then you're just going to plug your numbers in and solve to find your y values. So we're going to take 3/4 times 2 cubed. So 2 cubed is 8. 4 goes into 8 twice. 3 times 2 is 6. 3/4 times 1 cubed. Well, 1 cubed is 1, and 1 times 3/4? 3/4. 3/4 times 0 cubed. Well, 0 times anything is going to be 0. We pretty much already said the center is going to be at 0, 0. 3/4 times -1 cubed. A -1 cubed stays -1. -1 times 3/4 is 3/4. And then 3/4 times -2 cubed. -2 cubed is -8. 4 goes into there 2 times, so 3 times -2. -6. That should have been -3/4. 3/4 times -1. So that this is opposite of this is opposite of this, and that's 0, 0. So make sure you get the negative in front of your 3/4 there. Didn't write it down when I wrote it on there. So, all right, let's see if my dots show up where I want them. So 2, 6, 2 over and up 6. 1 is only up 3/4, just kind of estimate where that is. 0, 0, 1 and down 3/4, and 2, -6. So my graph is coming here, got a little curve in the middle, then shoots back down to the bottom of my graph. So most cubic functions will either come down, have my curve, and keep going, or be on the other side, come down, have my little curve, and keep going. Number 14 then, graphing y equals -11/8 x cubed. So again, we're just going to make our table, same values with 0 in the middle, and plugging our values in. I went in the other order this time, but it doesn't really make any difference. -2 cubed is a -8. So a -8 and -8 would cancel out. I'm going to get a positive 11. -1 cubed is -1. Negative times a negative is going to give me a positive 11/8. 0 cubed is 0. 0 times anything, still 0. 1 cubed is 1. 1 times a -11/8 is a -11/8. And 2 cubed is 8. The 8s will cancel out, so you get the -11. I've got my points. I'm going to plot them. So -2 is up to 11. -1 is at 11/8, so just a little higher than 1. 0, 0, 1 and -11/8, 2 and -11. So our cubic function looks something sort of like that. Again, you'll use that little plot point tool, looks something like this, and type in your ordered pairs. You can do it for all of them, but for sure when you have the fraction, so that Alex can put that 11/8 in the proper spot. And number 15, we are graphing y equals 1/2 x cubed. So again, we're going to make our table. 2, 1, 0, -1, and -2, whichever order you want those in, and then plug our numbers in. So 2 cubed is 8, half of 8 would be 4. 1 cubed is 1, 1 times 1/2 is still 1/2. 0 cubed is 0, 0 times a half is 0. -1 cubed is -1, -1 times half is -1/2. -2 cubed is -8, half of -8, -4. Plotting my points. So 2, 4, 1 is up a half, 0, 0, -1 is down to -1/2, and -2 goes down to -4. And my cubic function looks something sort of like that.